Hey guys, it's me, Urban Gardener, the Happy Cultivator. And today we're going to be unboxing the LÄVO C oil making machine. So what we have here is the LÄVO C large batch oil infusion machine. As you guys know, I'm a very large enthusiast. I like to infuse all the time. And I have a great method on the stovetop, but you know, it's not as self-contained and as easy as something like the LÄVO C here. So let's unbox it and take a look. I've already split the factory seal here. So let's open her up. And I got a nice olive green one. So it's basically a set it and forget it kind of machine. This does 4 cups at a time. So that's actually quite a bit of oil to infuse at once. So let's go ahead and open her up. So here it tells you basically how to do the infusion process. You just select your ingredients, pack the herb pod, select activate if you'd like to do a pre-decarboxylation. Then you add your carrier, which would be your oil, butter, or honey. So this can infuse all 3 of those. You set it and forget it. Look, I didn't even read that. We have the same mindset, me and LÄVO. So you choose your time, your temperature settings, and let it infuse. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. You can infuse mint. You can infuse rosemary, thyme, dill, whatever you'd like to infuse into your oil, including different types of medicinal herbs. So there is your, it looks like it's got a cookbook in here too, like a little recipe book, but there's a manual and everything in there. Now let's go ahead and open this right here. All right, there's the machine. Pull that out. And there she is. Packaged really nicely. You have your glass carafe. The pot is inside the carafe. It has the plastic surrounding it and everything. So now let's go ahead and take this plastic down here. And it gives you a quick start right there on there to power on your LÄVO and how to do the activate all there. And then of course I would suggest reading your manual before you do operate it. And remember that the glass and heat plate are gonna get hot, because with oil infusion you do infuse with heat. So it's an all-in-one product. It can activate and infuse, and it can do butter, oil, or honey. And this guy will probably be doing all 3. And then the other thing that's great about this LÄVO is it is dishwasher safe. So that is the main reason why I opted to go ahead and put the money into the purchase of this machine, is its ability to be all-in-one and a set it and forget it. I don't have to keep monitoring the stovetop and everything. And yes, it is a little pricey, but it's worth the price. It's $250 for this large batch machine, and they are having sales. I was able to get mine for only $199. You can pick up the machine on Amazon, as well as going to LÄVO themselves. I actually went through LÄVO's shop on Instagram, which was quite simple and easy to do, and got a great deal there. They were having the bundle at, I believe it was 25% off for gummies, and then along with that I got an extra 20% off because it was my first Instagram purchase. And here it is today, looking beautiful, and I think it'll have a nice little spot on my countertop. So now that I have it all unpackaged and on my countertop, I just wanted to give you guys a little peek at the machine and the craft and how it looks on your countertop. So we'll show you guys the pod real quick. So this is the pod that you put the herb into, whatever herbs you're infusing. And then here is your top. So this is how it works. You have your pod here. You take off this screen, of course, put the herb to infuse in there. Then you simply put the pod inside of the carafe. And then you take the lid of the carafe and put that on just like that. And then you'll put the carafe just like that. Just like making coffee. How about that? So with that, guys, go out to LÄVO and check out their different machines. They have several different machines ranging in different prices, and from 2-cup capacities to 4-cup capacities. And I think I'm going to be really happy with this, and I will be making a video later of some infusion. So look for that, guys. So with that, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.